Howdy, partner. Thank you for selecting Heroku, Platform Basics for Partners. My name is Gordon Jackson, Heroku ISV Architect, and I help our partners build amazing applications using Heroku. This presentation is around 30 minutes and is for all partners who are getting started on their journey with Heroku. Whether a longtime partner or new to the Salesforce ecosystem, a system integrator delivering solutions with Salesforce, or an independent software vendor building new products and services on Salesforce, you have probably had a customer ask you, or maybe you've asked yourself, what is Heroku? In this presentation, we will answer that question. Additionally, we will tell you why, as partners, you need to know about Heroku. Let's get started. It wouldn't be a Salesforce presentation without a forward-looking statement. Before I begin, just a quick note that when considering future developments, whether by us or with any other solution provider, you should always base your purchasing decisions on what is currently available. Now let's really get started. Let's start with some motivation and why you need to know about Heroku. There are three important reasons why partners need to know about Heroku. Reason number one, Heroku is part of the Salesforce Platform. That's right. Heroku has been operated by Salesforce for nearly 10 years and stands alongside Lightning in the Salesforce Platform. With Heroku, you have a pro-code custom application development experience so that when you need to go code, you know that you can build and run applications and services in any language, easily scale your applications to meet all your demand, rely on what it means to be operated by Salesforce, globally trusted for delivering secure, reliable, and performant cloud computing. Heroku is part of the Salesforce Platform. The second reason you need to know about Heroku is that Lightning and Heroku are better together. We have many customers implementing with the Lightning platform on Sales or Service Cloud who are not using Heroku. And we have many customers deploying, managing, and scaling apps on Heroku who are not using Lightning. But it's the Salesforce customers harnessing the declarative power of Lightning combined with the elastic scale and flexibility of applications built in any language provided by Heroku who are transforming themselves by providing an integrated customer experience. With the Salesforce platform, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The third reason why partners need to know about Heroku is that sometimes you need the option to go code. Heroku provides options alongside Lightning for delivering cloud-based custom software solutions which benefit from a single-tenant economic model based on resource consumption, support for applications in any language, and meeting any demand with elastic scale, all operated by Salesforce. All right then, let's circle the wagons, Trailblazers. We just covered three important reasons you need to know about Heroku. Reason number one, Heroku is a part of the Salesforce platform, operated by Salesforce, the most trusted cloud provider. Reason number two, Heroku and Lightning are better together. Integrated customer experience is what our customers are looking for. And then lastly, it's the best option when you need to go code. Single tenant, any language, elastic scale. What is Heroku? Heroku is a service. Heroku is a service which allows you to focus on delivering solutions and deploying applications, not operations. As an integrator, this is a win-win for you. Not only can you start solutioning immediately with everything you need to build and deploy at your fingertips, you do it starting at the application level. Everything required for the app is already managed and provided by Heroku. In the world of DevOps, you dev and Heroku ops. And for ISVs, you can focus entirely on delivering new products and services and know that all of the infrastructure and platform are provided as part of the service. Heroku is a service that allows you to put all of your focus and talent into building great apps. With Heroku, you can use any developer tool, choose any language, select from a vibrant marketplace of application components which help increase productivity and velocity. Use your tools and manage your application lifecycle exactly the way you do it today. Just build great apps, and when you are ready, let Heroku keep the lights on for you. Heroku is a service that is powered by Amazon, the #1 provider of infrastructure as a service. Not only does Heroku take advantage of the raw computing services, the physical servers, networking, and virtual machines, Heroku is also managing and automating and abstracting away the complexities of operating raw infrastructure, allowing you to focus entirely on your applications, not on servers. After the raw infrastructure, it's all Heroku all the time, starting with the containers. These are fully managed, operationally curated. That means we patch the system and we apply security patches, and they're industrial strength EC2 instances underneath. Secure compute capacity right at your fingertips. Instant on with instant scale. We manage the container servers so you don't have to build and manage one yourself. Same story for the runtime environments. Heroku curates and manages 8 of the most popular languages used in building scalable, modern, web-based applications. Ruby is just where we got started, and Node is the fastest growing build pack today. These, along with Java, Scala, Clojure, Python, PHP, and Go, are all ready for your deploys. We apply the patches and keep our eyes open for all security-related bulletins and updates. We carry the pager, so you don't have to. Heroku is a service which operates, manages, secures, backs up, and keeps healthy over 1 million instances of industrial strength Heroku Postgres relational database. Automated backups and button-click deployment and sizes into the terabytes. These are just a few of the features. And if you are looking for something else, we have MySQL, we have Mongo, we have 20 data services available to you whenever you need them. We manage the data services so that you don't have to. Heroku is a service which curates over 150 different application components in over 20 different categories like search, logging, analytics, storage, data, and more. All managed and operated and ready for you to use as soon as you need them. Heroku Connect is the data bridge between Lightning and Heroku. If you are an integrator, Heroku Connect is the easiest path from Salesforce to anywhere else. And if you are an ISV, Heroku Connect scales along with you as you grow, starting right from the first customer. Heroku Connect is operated by Salesforce. We'll take a closer look at Heroku Connect in a moment. Heroku is a service. It's operated by Salesforce, powered by Amazon. Whether you are an implementer delivering world-class solutions or an ISV bringing new products and services to the App Exchange, Heroku is a service that puts scale and simplicity at your fingertips. Trust, operated by Salesforce. Okay, so Salesforce operates everything. What does that mean to you? Well, for partners, it means you are immediately ready to begin transforming your customers' businesses. Get started faster, deliver more value, focus on what you do best, build great applications. And for customers, it means that your solutions and products are operated by Salesforce, the company they already know and trust to manage their data. To recap, Heroku is a service that enables partners to spend their time developing and delivering apps that immediately start producing value. Heroku Connect is your bridge to Lightning data, the fastest, easiest way to get data out of Lightning and into Heroku. With Heroku Connect, Salesforce manages the integration, synchronized data from Salesforce, Lightning to Heroku Postgres, and expose Salesforce data as scalable services in Heroku. Use Heroku Connect to reflect Heroku Postgres data in Lightning. It's super easy. And drumroll please, no matter how busy things get, Heroku Connect does not consume API transactions. Heroku is a service that makes Amazon invisible, invisible to you and invisible to your customers. Don't think about managing infrastructure. Don't worry about setting up databases and so much more. I call this the things you don't have to do anymore slide. This means you can build applications faster than you ever have and trust Salesforce to keep the lights on for you. What is Heroku? Heroku is a service that enables partners to spend their time developing and delivering apps and services that immediately start producing value. Operated by Salesforce, powered by Amazon. Okay, so we know Heroku is a service. What else? Well, Heroku is also a platform. Let's get to the really interesting stuff. Build, deliver, monitor, and scale, no matter where you are in the development process. The Heroku platform is always all about your applications. Heroku is a managed container system for powering your apps with plenty of sizes to choose from. Heroku has integrated data services and a powerful ecosystem, which means that you have even more options for building apps faster. And the Heroku platform is the easiest place for you to deploy and run everything you build. Heroku managed containers are called dynos. Heroku dynos are the building blocks of every Heroku application. Heroku dynos have a curated and managed operating system. Heroku dynos are the servers that run your code. Heroku has as many dynos as you need to manage and scale awesome applications. Heroku integrated data services are also operated by Salesforce. Industrial strength relational database, caching, high volume event stream processing, instant Salesforce integration. Everything you need to start building and scaling and integrating your solutions and services with Salesforce customer data. Heroku increases development velocity with Heroku add-on services. Add-ons are immediately available to developers from the earliest phases of the project. Add-ons span over 20 different functional categories. Why build when you can buy exactly what you need? And Heroku add-on partners are part of a vibrant ecosystem driving value into Heroku and your apps. The Heroku platform makes server capacity just another application configuration. Because you don't have to manage the framework, you can deploy code in any language. Because you don't have to manage the container or the machines, you can scale on demand. You don't have to think about routing or clustering, and Heroku keeps the applications fresh and always available, all defined by your applications and operated by Salesforce. The Heroku platform provides all the tools to scale your data. With Heroku integrated data services, you get a single tenant database which stands up to HIPAA and PCI compliance. Nothing goes better with Salesforce data. A fully managed in-memory cache to let you easily manage your application scale. A durable distributed message broker? Who came up with that? Kafka is a wicked fast streaming pipeline of immutable data ingesting monster. Fact. And Heroku Connects is the Salesforce data bridge and the quickest, easiest way to unleash your Salesforce data. But it's more than just the data. Heroku add-ons are everything your app needs after the great idea. Remember, Heroku Add-ons is a service of over 150 partner-managed application components in over 20 functional categories so you can focus on your app and not all the other things an app needs, like logging or searching. Every add-on is ready when you are, and a click away. All add-on usage is reported across all applications in your account. The Heroku dashboard is your single pane of glass into all of your apps. And really, who doesn't love free? Heroku is a platform which enables developers to go from zero to hero fast. But there's more. The Heroku platform is about making the hard things easy, button click easy. Heroku private spaces are enterprise-grade virtual private clouds and available globally in just about 8 minutes. And with Shield, HIPAA, and PCI compliance is a button click away. Heroku private spaces are also operated by Salesforce and are available in regions around the world. Heroku private spaces provide network isolated data services, stable outbound IP addresses, and AWS VPC peering. As a partner, it doesn't get any easier for you to deliver managed, trusted, and scalable services to your customers. What is Heroku? Heroku is a platform which enables developers to go from zero to hero fast. So where to next? Here are a number of resources to help you on your journey with Heroku. Start here at Trailhead and learn how to develop apps with Heroku Enterprise. The Heroku Dev Center, it's an incredibly user-friendly resource for you to learn all about Heroku. On the Getting Started tab, you can pick a language and, you guessed it, get started. See how different customers are using Heroku to build transformational applications. This presentation and others focused on Heroku partner enablement can be found on the Heroku page in the Salesforce partner community. And even Amazon will tell you that you can't beat Heroku for deploying Salesforce apps that need the elastic scale of AWS. And as a partner, you can never be too certified. The Platform Developer 1 exam now contains several Heroku-related questions. Check it out. Make sure you check out these other presentations in the Heroku Partner Enablement series. And finally, the Heroku Partner Alliances team is here to support your success with Heroku. Thanks for joining me today.